Hello. Have you turned 60 and started feeling weaker legs, struggling to climb stairs, or even getting tired while walking? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. Many people face or will face this challenge as time goes by. But here's some good news. It's entirely possible to improve this condition. Small changes to your diet and daily routine can make a big difference. In today's video, we'll explore what causes muscle weakness, how it can affect your health, and best of all, the 9 essential foods you need to include in your diet to regain energy and strength. Stay with me until the end of the video to discover how to transform your quality of life. Let's get started. Have you noticed how the body goes through various changes over the years? One of the most significant changes is the loss of muscle mass. Have you noticed this in yourself? Let me know in the comments. This happens because, starting at age 30, we begin to lose between 3% and 8% of muscle mass every decade. This process is called sarcopenia. And what does this mean in practice? Essentially, our muscles become weaker, making simple tasks like walking or getting up from a chair more challenging. Sarcopenia occurs due to several factors, including the reduction of hormones like testosterone in men and estrogen in women. In addition, the lack of regular physical activity and inadequate protein intake also contribute to this condition. As the years go by, our body becomes less efficient at absorbing essential nutrients, which further contributes to muscle weakening. The gradual loss of muscle mass also has a significant impact on metabolism, causing it to slow down. For older adults, this can lead to weight gain and increased risk of falls and fractures, and, of course, the loss of independence. In other words, we're not just talking about simple muscle weakness, but a condition that impacts overall health. No one wants to depend on others, and when muscle and bone mass decrease, that's exactly what can happen. Before talking about the diseases related to muscle weakness, I want to share what you can do to prevent this from happening. The good news is that, although muscle loss is a natural part of aging, it is possible to slow it down and even reverse it. In addition to regular exercise, nutrition plays a crucial role in strengthening bones and muscles. Consuming the right foods can help with muscle recovery and rebuilding, providing essential nutrients for your body. Remember, smart food choices are key. Include foods rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in your daily diet, as they will improve muscle function and speed up muscle recovery. Now, I'm going to tell you about the 9 essential foods to strengthen muscles and prevent muscle weakness. These foods should be part of the diet of anyone over 60 who wants to maintain muscle strength and have more energy in daily life. First food, egg. The egg is a low-cost, high-quality source of protein. It is rich in vitamin D, vitamin B12, and choline, essential nutrients for muscle recovery, repair, and energy supply. Each egg contains about 6 g of complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. In addition, leucine, an amino acid found in large amounts in eggs, plays a key role in muscle building. It stimulates protein production in the muscles, aiding in growth and recovery after physical exercise. Considered a high-quality food, the egg is one of the best foods for seniors, second only to breast milk in terms of nutritional value. And for those concerned about weight control, the egg is an excellent choice as it helps promote a feeling of fullness. Second food, omega-3 rich foods. Fish like salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel, which are rich in omega-3, are exceptional sources of essential fatty acids that the body cannot produce on its own. These fatty acids offer numerous health benefits, especially for seniors dealing with muscle weakness. They have anti-inflammatory effects, help increase muscle production, protect the heart, and improve cognitive function. We know that these fish can be more expensive or harder to find, especially for those who live far from the coast. In this case, a practical and affordable alternative is canned sardines. They are an excellent source of omega-3 and can be consumed in salads, sandwiches, or even mixed with vegetables. When choosing canned sardines, opt for those preserved in water or olive oil, instead of vegetable oil, to better preserve the nutrients. The version in olive oil, for example, is an even more nutritious option. Third food, lean meats. Lean meats are excellent allies for muscle health. Skinless chicken, lean cuts of pork, and red meats like ground beef, tenderloin, or chuck are great options. These foods are rich in essential amino acids that directly support muscle building and help reduce muscle weakness. In addition, these meats provide important nutrients such as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Those who maintain a balanced diet typically do not need to rely on vitamin supplements unless they have a specific health condition or a special need, such as after bariatric surgery. Fourth food, legumes. Legumes are essential in any diet, especially for seniors. Unfortunately, many people have been avoiding beans, believing that the traditional combination of rice and beans causes weight gain. Let's be clear. What truly contributes to weight gain are sweets, processed foods, and overindulgence in general, not beans. Eating beans is essential not just for seniors but for all age groups. Legumes like beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas are rich in protein, fiber, and iron. These nutrients promote healthy blood circulation and help maintain muscle health. For vegetarians, legumes are even more essential, as they provide an important source of protein and help prevent nutritional deficiencies. Therefore, they should always be part of the diet of anyone striving for a balanced and healthy eating plan. Fifth food, milk. Milk and its derivatives are excellent sources of protein and calcium, making them essential for those who want to maintain strong and healthy bones. Adding a portion of milk or dairy products such as natural yogurt or fresh cheese to your diet can make a significant difference. Although some may label milk as a villain, it is not. While it is true that many types of milk undergo industrial processing, choosing high-quality options can make milk a valuable ally for a balanced lifestyle. Milk is considered one of the most complete sources of nutrients for the human body, providing high-quality proteins, calcium, vitamin D, phosphorus, and a variety of other vitamins and minerals. It is an essential food for preventing muscle mass loss associated with aging. If you need to reduce fat intake, choose skim milk. However, if your cholesterol levels are normal and there's no specific need for control, whole milk can be enjoyed without concerns. Sixth food, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, are exceptional sources of essential nutrients for muscle health. They are particularly important for older adults who want to maintain strength and mobility as they age. Spinach, for example, is rich in nitrates, compounds that help improve muscle strength. These nitrates contribute to better blood circulation, increasing oxygenation and muscle performance. Additionally, these leaves are rich in folic acid, magnesium, antioxidants, and vitamin K, and are low in calories, allowing you to consume them freely. Seventh food, nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, providing protection to muscles and fighting inflammation in the body. For women going through menopause, vitamin E plays an important role in relieving symptoms like hot flashes, improving skin hydration, and supporting mood stability. Additionally, it helps protect the arteries from oxidative damage, promoting better blood circulation. Eighth food, quinoa. Have you ever tried quinoa? This grain is a true nutritional powerhouse, being an excellent source of complete proteins, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids for muscle building. In addition, it is packed with fiber, magnesium, zinc, iron, potassium, and natural antioxidants, and best of all, it is gluten-free. You can use it in various ways in your diet, such as in fresh salads with tomato and cucumber, or by cooking it with brown rice, creating a nutritious and delicious combination. Ninth food, avocado. Avocado is a fruit rich in healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants, making it a great ally in muscle recovery and fatigue prevention. It's no surprise that many fitness recipes include avocado, as it offers so many benefits. You can enjoy avocado in various ways, such as in salads, blended with water, protein, and ice, or even by preparing a delicious guacamole. These foods are essential for maintaining muscle strength and preventing weakness. However, it's important to remember that diet alone doesn't work miracles. It's crucial to combine a balanced diet with a physical exercise routine, which can be adjusted to your needs and abilities. Small changes in diet and lifestyle can have a significant impact on your quality of life. I also want to address the diseases associated with muscle weakness after the age of 60. This symptom is not isolated and is related to several health conditions. For example, sarcopenia is often linked to osteoporosis, which is the loss of bone density and increases the risk of fractures. For those who suffer from muscle weakness, even a simple walk can result in falls, which can be very dangerous, leading to fractures, hospitalizations, and even loss of autonomy. Additionally, muscle fatigue can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Muscles play an important role in regulating blood glucose, and with less muscle mass, the body loses the ability to control blood sugar levels efficiently. Lastly, muscle weakness can affect the immune system, reducing the body's ability to respond adequately to infections and diseases. Therefore, it's important to understand that muscle weakness goes beyond just feeling weak in the legs. It can have serious consequences for overall health. These foods are essential for maintaining muscle strength and preventing weakness. However, it's important to remember that diet alone doesn't work miracles. It's crucial to combine a balanced diet with a physical exercise routine, which can be adjusted to your needs and abilities. Small changes in diet and lifestyle can have a big impact on your quality of life. I also want to address the diseases associated with muscle weakness after the age of 60. This symptom is not isolated and is linked to various health conditions. For example, sarcopenia is often associated with osteoporosis, which is the loss of bone density and increases the risk of fractures. For those who suffer from muscle weakness, even a simple walk can result in falls, which can be very dangerous, leading to fractures, hospitalizations, and even loss of autonomy. In addition, muscle fatigue can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. Muscles play an important role in regulating blood glucose, and with less muscle mass, the body loses the ability to efficiently control sugar levels. Lastly, muscle weakness can affect the immune system, reducing the body's ability to respond effectively to infections and illnesses. Therefore, it is important to understand that muscle weakness goes beyond just feeling weak legs. It can have serious consequences for overall health. I hope this video has clarified how muscle weakness occurs, its health impacts, and how you can combat it with a proper diet. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. A big hug and see you next time.